Good morning, everyone. Now it's time to taste the ice cream. So let us go in here and taste the Spirulina or Spirulina ice cream, whichever one you like, with the banana base. So I showed you how to do it. Let's taste it. It's time for the taste test. I've been asking my friends, do you all want to come over and taste it with me? They're like, no, absolutely not. Absolutamente no. But I'm thinking it's going to be delicious, but we shall see. Okay, so I can already see that Fully Raw Christina on YouTube, for her vegan-based ice cream, she was saying don't let it stay in over 3 hours. I can understand why, because it is most def frozen. So what I'm going to have to do is put this in the fridge, and then I'll be back to taste it. Now I hope it does. It's not like really, really bad. Oh. While I was waiting on the Spirulina ice cream to unthaw, I had breakfast, and this is my breakfast. Oh, was it ever good. So this is how it came out. After a few hours later, I'm like editing and finally came downstairs, and this is how the ice cream melted. So I'm going to put it in here and decorate it with some goodies. So okay, let me say, get the light. It was absolutely delicious. I'm enjoying it now. It's creamy, it's flavorful. I love it. It is a green dream treat and very, very healthy for you. So, yes! Hopefully I can get my sisters and one of my friends who is coming over to try it also. Okay, guys, thanks for watching. Bye. Okay, guys, so this is Gigi's, what are we calling it, Gigi? It's no longer ice cream because it is a smoothie, basically. So this is her smoothie bowl. Gigi is my little niece, and she's going to tell you guys how she makes her homemade ice cream, and she's going to give you an opinion about this smoothie bowl. Okay, ma'am, hit it.
Okay. Make sure I get some of that.
Okay.
Tastes good.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. It's a banana base.
I see that.
You taste that? Mm-hmm. And something else too. I don't know what you put in yours for the liquid, but this is coconut.
I could taste it.
You could taste the banana. Oh, spirulina is the green. It is what turns it green is that algae that is in a powder that adds the nutritional value to it because it has vitamins and minerals.
That's good right here.
Really? Mm-hmm. Thank you. Your tongue is green. Slightly. But it's okay. It's okay.
The model is cutting up. Open now. Yum, yum. Mmm. Yum, yum. That's so delicious. Mmm.
Ooh, he wanted it.
Yum, yum. Yum, yum. Yum, yum.
There's no bananas in it.
Yes. You hate
God.
bananas? Caitlin, do you hate bananas?
No, but it's a strong banana flavor too.
Okay, that's a good answer. That's a good answer. It's a strong banana flavor.
Is it a smoothie?
Yes. It was supposed to be an ice cream, but I left it in longer than 3 hours, so it became a smoothie bowl kind of a. It's kind of it's
I
permissible.
think our ice cream will be good.
As an ice cream, it would be good.
Yeah.
Thank you. It was supposed to be in for 3 hours as ice cream, so I'm gonna do that next time and leave it in 3 hours. Because as a smoothie, it might need a topping, right? Like something like nuts or something on the top. Nas said it smells like a popsicle. Layla said it smells like
It smells like
banana.
it smells like banana, but also something like in the sea, like something like
It's spirulina or spirulina. It's an algae.
Do you remember those little popsicles we used to get us
Yes.
when we were younger? That's what it reminds me of. That's what it smells like.
it's actually not bad.
Thank you.
You can taste the bananas and the coconuts.
Thank you.
It's good. The pudding is good. But me personally, I think I would eat this with just some topping
Okay.
every time I would eat it.
Okay.
Because the pudding itself, it is good.
Okay. But it needs a topping.
Yeah, for me, I feel like it will need a topping.
Okay.
It's just banana. Banana.
It's
Yeah.
a theory of allergy.
Well,
Use a banana phobic.
excuse me. Well, some people make it with berries, and I didn't have any berries. I didn't have any berries to put in it, so I went with the bananas. And there's one more thing in it that you probably haven't picked up on. It's coconut.
Shaving.
No, actual coconut thick milk.
Oh, so that's what's that tastes like.
Uh-huh. And it's almond milk. Is it
Oddly good.
it is? Okay, okay. Okay, so out of one out of 5, what's the final score?
For the pudding without the toppings for me, I'll give it like a 4.5.
Okay.
But with the toppings, I'll give it like a...
I give it a 5 for the top.
Thank you. Okay. Thank
Yeah,
you.
it's-
Thank you guys for being on the vlog and testing the ice cream with spirulina or spirulina. Bye guys.